The goal of this assignment is to write an AVRC program to control the speed of a DC motor using a potentiometer connected to a PC0. Then we use interrupt on a button on PC 1, 2, or 3 to stop and start the motor at each click. The minimum speed of the motor should be 0 when pot is minimum, and maximum should be 95% of PWM value. Oh. Here's our code. As you can see here, we have our initial setup of our ADC. This is our main code, ADC init, where we read our ADC, setting up the USART now to actually be able to see the values. Here is our actual pin change interrupt. Code is currently running. Here's our board setup with the potentiometer, our switch, our motor driver, and then our DC motor. If I turn on the motor, okay, guess it is not currently running. Let's hit run then. Waiting. There we go. As you can see, everything's gone. I flip the switch. Motor stops. Flip it back on. Motor turns back on. Potentiometer. As I change the value, the motor slows down to 0. It actually will stop a little bit before that because it takes a certain amount of voltage beforehand. As you can see here, if I open up the data visualizer and connect us to our virtual COM port, as you can see at full speed, we're running at 255. It's full speed. And as I turn the potentiometer, our value drops in our serial monitor until you get to the point of finally stopping. Which is actually, like we said, a little bit above 0 because it takes some startup current just to get it going.